Hello friends. So my another client has came and she is also going to have her first nail extensions in her life. And also she was not comfortable with the product's functions because she heard a lot of stuff that was a bit these create so much heat while curing bad experiences and all that. So I make sure that she becomes comfortable first and I cleared all the doubts and misunderstanding about things which she said. Once she got me, she said, "Wow." Yes, she said wow because the nail has came so good and perfect and now she is comfortable with the further process. I did not buff and file her natural nails because it's her first time and she doesn't know if she can wear these for like 2 days. I made the process according to her natural nail protection so she can pop these off when she wants. Also, she never grow her natural nails that much long, so I will keep the length short or as much she wants. As you know that I use my pre-made hard gel extensions to save the time. But at this time, I took her nail sizes and made them after I applied the base coat to her natural nails. When I take my nail drill out, then she questioned me that will it hurt? And I said no, it doesn't hurt. I'm using this because I have to clean her cuticle side gel layer. If I use filer, then I think the nails will not come that much clean. I am focusing on the cuticle side filing more than the front side. While doing this, I'm telling her about the nail shapes and she said do whatever you want and I suggest her to go with the almond or like oval shape because it's her first time and these shapes are easy to carry. I kept her nails short with oval shape. For the design part, she has the inspo and that doesn't have any brush art design. But she wants the exact same color which is in that picture. And honestly, I did not have this color shade. So I take a look on my gel polishes, picked two different shades. One is light and another one is dark. Mixed them together and I made the exact same shade which she was looking for. I applied the first coat first and then asked her if she is okay with that or wants second coat. She wanted second one, so I cover all her nails with two coats of this polish. I accidentally cut her middle fingernail a bit shorter and she said it's okay. Then I am doing all the step what she was asking for and after that she said I don't want the design now. Maybe I'll get the next time. For now I'll have this like this. And this is the final look. She is happy with that. See you in my next video. Bye.